Dogs sneeze for a variety of reasons, including allergies, infections, irritants, and foreign objects in the nose. Sneezing alone is not usually a cause for concern, but if it's accompanied by other symptoms such as coughing or nasal discharge, it may indicate an underlying issue. If your dog is sneezing a lot, observe their behavior to see if they are exhibiting any other signs of illness or discomfort. Allergies are a common cause of sneezing in dogs, and can be triggered by environmental factors such as pollen, dust, or mold. Infections, such as a respiratory infection or kennel cough, can also cause sneezing in dogs. Irritants such as cigarette smoke or cleaning products can also irritate a dog's nasal passages and lead to sneezing. If your dog has a foreign object lodged in their nose, they may sneeze frequently and paw at their nose. Treatment for dog sneezing will depend on the underlying cause, and may include medications, allergy shots, or removal of a foreign object. It's important to seek veterinary care if your dog's sneezing is accompanied by other symptoms, such as coughing, fever, or lethargy. Preventative measures, such as regular veterinary checkups and minimizing exposure to potential allergens, can help reduce the risk of dog sneezing. If you suspect your dog has something lodged in their nose, do not attempt to remove it yourself as it could cause further harm. Keep your dog's living space clean and free of potential irritants to help reduce the risk of sneezing and other respiratory issues. Pay attention to your dog's diet and make sure they are getting proper nutrition to support their immune system and overall health. If your dog has seasonal allergies, consider adjusting their outdoor activities or using protective clothing to reduce their exposure to allergens.